Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KW Maths. So today we are going to solve this functional question where function f of x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by 8x. Then we have to find the value of functional f of x. So how can we solve this question? So we just use a simple trick to solve this question. The trick is f of x can be written as f of t. It means that function value of function is same whether we change the variable x to t or t to x. So what we do, the solution will be solution let t is equal to x plus 2 by x minus 2, means we just change the domain, that is x plus 2 upon x minus 2. This variable will become t, and then by using this condition, that is variable can be exchanged inside a function, so we will got the value of fx. So what we do, we just solve this portion, that is t equal x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Then by simplifying we have t into x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2. Now t into x minus 2 will be tx minus 2t is equal to x plus 2, right? Now taking x term in one side, we have t of x minus x, and t term on other side we have 2t plus 2, that is by taking t 2 common we have 2 into t plus 1, right? Now taking x common we have x into t plus 1 equal 2 into t plus 1, sorry, t minus 1, t minus t minus 1 equal 2 into t plus 1. Then we have value of x equal 2 into t plus 1 by t minus 1. Now we just substitute the value of x in terms of t, and then we got our answer in terms of t, f of t, and then we replace t by x, right? So we have f of x plus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 by 8x. Now we just replace x by t, so it will become f of this whole portion is equal to t is equal to x square. Now we got value of x 2 into t plus 1 upon t minus 1. Then x square will be 2 into t plus 1 by t minus 1 whole square, right, plus 4 into 2 into t plus 1 by t minus 1 and plus 4 divide by 8 into value of x is 2 t plus 1 by t minus 1. Now how we simplify this all portion, these all portions? So we just multiply whole term by multiplying 1 by multiplying t minus 1 whole square. Then by multiplying this whole term we will get this is equal to 2 times, now taking 2 outside, so whole power 2, then by squaring 2 we have 4, right? 4 will be taken as outside, and now we have t plus 1 whole square, and this whole portion by multiplying this whole portion will cancel out, and then plus 4 and 2 is inside, by taking outside we have 4 into 2, that is 8, and then we have t plus 1, and by multiplying t minus 1 into t minus 1 whole square, so we have t minus 1 plus 4 into t minus 1 whole square, divide by 8 into 2 is 16, t minus 1, t plus 1, and t minus 1 into t minus 1 whole square will be t minus 1. Right, now we simplify these terms. So 4 by expanding this whole portion, that is t plus 1 whole square, that will become t square plus 1 square plus 2t plus 8 into t plus 1 and t minus 1. By the formula of a minus b, a plus b, we have t square minus 1 plus 4 into t minus 1 whole square. This will become t square plus 1 square minus 2t upon 16, and t plus 1, t minus 1 will again t square minus 1. Right, now by multiplying 4 to all terms, we have 4t square plus 4 into 2t is 8t plus 8 into t square is 8t square minus 8 plus 4 into t square is 4t square plus 4 minus 4 into minus 2t square is minus 8t, divide by 16 t square minus 1. Now as you can see, 4t square plus 8t square plus 4t square will become 16t square, and plus 4 minus 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is plus 8 and minus 8, these all term cancel out, and 8t square minus 8t plus 8t minus 8t, this term is again cancel out, and then by divide by 16 of t square minus 1, then 16 cancel out, we have t square upon t square minus 1, t square upon t square minus 1. So it implies value of f of t is equal to t square upon t square minus 1. And now we just change variable t to x, and then it implies f of x is equal to x square upon x square minus 1. This is our answer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.